Hey guys, this is my pull-up bar. I made it in a closet, and this is probably unique solution how to mount it on the ceiling. This is regular black steel pipe from Home Depot, and diameter is 1.315 inches. And of course diameter depends on your palm size, etc. But I chose this pipe because it fits exactly this hook on my gravity boots, like this. Because usually I don't use this bar to do pull-ups, and I hang upside down here every night for spinal traction, and I will show you in the end. I drilled holes through the pipe and through the ceiling panel. This is about ½ inch or maybe 7/16 bolts, about 12 inch I think. I used 2 nuts on every bolt. This one is a regular nut, and this nut has something like plastic ring. It's difficult to unscrew it. This is also nut, but I don't remember why I put it here. Even one nut can hold several thousand pounds, but I decided to use 2 nuts on every bolt. Just because you know that if you hang upside down, it's very important to have more security. And now guys, let's go upstairs to see how I secure these bolts in the attic. I was trying to find solution to avoid any damage on ceiling joists or wall studs, etc. And I decided to use eye bolts instead of regular bolts. Look at this. This is eye bolts, and I just drilled 4 holes through the ceiling panel and nothing else. There is steel pipe, smaller diameter, just enough to pull it through this bolt. At first I wanted to use only 2 bolts here, but then I decided to add 2 more bolts just to distribute weight more evenly. This bolt is about 12 inches long, and I bought it just because I found it at Home Depot near my home. And now I can't do regular pull-ups. As you see, not enough room here, not enough room for my head. But if you need longer bolts, you can easily find them online. I saw 15 inches, 18 inches, no problem at all. Just a little bit more expensive, of course. I use my pull-up bar to hang upside down. I have these gravity boots for many years, and now I'm gonna show you how I use them. Okay, first I relax about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and then I do something to let my muscles along the spine do something like this. Then bend my spine to try to reach something on the floor. Then relax again do something. Thank you for watching, guys.